Today I'm giving you a tour of 912 West 14th Street in Tempe, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Tempe, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Tempe. Welcome to this beautiful home with a sparkling pool. Ideally situated near local schools, community parks, and major freeways, this charming 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers a convenient and desirable location. The 3 guest bedrooms are generously proportioned and share a spacious guest bathroom for added convenience. This home features a welcoming living room adorned with beautiful two-tone paint, blinds, and a well-thought-out layout. The property boasts attractive curb appeal with low-maintenance desert landscaping, a neutral exterior paint palette, and ample parking space. Outside, the rear yard is an entertainer's dream, complete with a large covered patio and a sparkling pool, perfect for hosting gatherings with family and friends. Weekly pool service is included, ensuring hassle-free maintenance and enjoyment of this outdoor oasis. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. As you can see, the bedrooms are nice and spacious and come with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. And finally, the primary bedroom features a sizable closet and an ensuite private bath for added convenience. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Inquire today.